Hello guys, welcome back with the HardReset.Info channel. Today I need to have the Samsung Galaxy Buds3 FE and I'm going to tell you how you can easily rename your buds in your iPhone. So the first thing we're gonna do is to open settings, and now even though that these are the Android buds and this is an iPhone, we can do almost everything like this cosmetic settings. We can change every cosmetic setting that we just want to change. Here tap Bluetooth and now tap this info icon. Now as you can see, there are only two settings that we do have, but only two cosmetic settings that are available on the headphones are name and device type. Device type is not that cosmetic, it changes a lot of things, but let's focus on the name. Here, tap name, the first thing that pops up, and now you can delete your name, type everything that you want, for example, my Samsung earbuds, and this tick icon to confirm. Now our name is saved, but if you want to acquire the previous name without any changes, I don't know why, but if you just want to, tap this X button right here and tap this tick icon to reset your name. And as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.